Space exploration and high fashion, two worlds that once seemed galaxies apart, are now colliding in unexpected ways. Today, real materials from space missions are being transformed into wearable art. Imagine holding a piece of the sky in your hands. This is the new frontier of fashion. Materials that once protected astronauts are now inspiring designers to create objects that blend technology and beauty. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution, showing that inspiration can come from the most unlikely places. The same ingenuity that sends us to the moon can now create a handbag that captures our imagination. As we reach further into space, we bring back not just knowledge, but new materials and ideas for artists and designers. The line between science labs and design studios is blurring. The story of this fashion revolution begins in the vast emptiness of space, travels through NASA's missions, and lands on the world's most famous runways. It's about a material that's almost nothing, yet can do almost anything. It's about an artist who dreamed of holding a cloud and made it real. This is just the beginning. Meet silica aerogel, NASA's solid smoke. It's the world's lightest solid, made of 99.8% air, yet strong and an incredible insulator. Created for NASA's Stardust mission, aerogel was designed to gently capture comet dust traveling at thousands of miles per hour. Its sponge-like structure slowed and preserved these cosmic particles, allowing scientists to study them on Earth for the first time. For years, aerogel was a hero of space exploration, hidden in labs and spacecraft. Most people never saw it, but its ethereal beauty and unique properties caught the eye of artists. They saw more than a scientific tool. They saw a piece of the sky brought to Earth. Aerogel's lightness, glow, and delicate structure were unlike anything else. Suddenly, it wasn't just for scientists. It was ready for the world. Artists and designers began to imagine new uses for this extraordinary material. The stage was set for aerogel to leap from the lab to the runway. A new chapter was about to begin. Aerogel was ready to inspire. My journey with aerogel began with a dream, to sculpt clouds you could touch. At MIT, I discovered aerogel light, blue, and almost unreal. NASA engineer Steve Jones taught me how to handle this fragile material, which felt like holding a piece of sky. Aerogel became the heart of my art, symbolizing both beauty and the fragility of our environment. My wearable clouds and glowing masks use space technology to spark conversations about climate change. Years of creating with aerogel led to a breakthrough, a collaboration with French fashion label Coperni. Known for futuristic designs, Coperni wanted to push boundaries. Together, we created the Air Swipe bag, almost entirely made of aerogel. It was a chance to bring a piece of the sky to the runway. The Air Swipe bag was more than an accessory. It was a statement. It showed that art, science, and fashion could truly merge. The dream of holding a cloud had become reality, and the world was watching. The Air Swipe bag debuted in 2024 and instantly became a sensation. Its glowing, translucent form looked like a captured cloud, 99% air, 1% glass, yet fully functional. The world was amazed. A NASA material transformed into high fashion. The bag went viral, proving science and style could create magic together. Soon, other brands took notice. Prada partnered with Axiom Space to design next-generation spacesuits for NASA's Artemis III mission. Prada's expertise in materials and construction is helping make suits more flexible and protective for astronauts. Space-age materials are perfect for fashion, lightweight, durable, and futuristic. Their unique look, metallic, iridescent, otherworldly, brings wonder to clothing and accessories. We're entering an era where function and style merge like never before. Collaborations like Coperni's and Prada's are just the beginning. Designers are looking to the stars for the very fabric of the future. Soon, the technology that protects astronauts could be woven into our everyday lives. The future of fashion is here, and it's out of this world. Aerogel's journey from NASA lab to Coperni handbag is a powerful story of innovation. What began as a tool for catching comet dust is now a symbol of creativity in art and fashion. It proves that space exploration brings unexpected benefits to life on Earth. This trend is about more than looking futuristic. It's about embracing lightness, strength, and possibility. As we face global challenges, smart, sustainable materials matter more than ever. Fashion is starting to think like an engineer. How can we make things smarter, stronger, and better for our world? The influence of space is now part of our culture, inspiring designers across industries. I've received requests for new Aerogirl products, even from Mercedes-Benz. The line between science fiction and reality is fading. From spacesuits to handbags, the technology of the future is here, changing not just what we wear, but how we dream. The sky is no longer the limit.